Hey, greetings from Texas. Happy Fire Up Friday. Today, I'm going to do three things, Fire Up Friday. And I'm going to use and review this Smith's tinder processor and ferro rod with strikers sent to me by James of Harshman Hills. And then I'm going to try this brand from New Zealand, Moana. I was searching for goulash, so I found some canned goulash, which I'll be reviewing later. And I got the US MRE in the goulash. But this is beef stew, product of New Zealand. It's shelf stable. Serving size 1 pack, 300 grams, 250 calories, which isn't a lot. Anyway, it's just a heat and serve meal. I guess you could heat it in a microwave. You could heat it in the pouch or heat it in a pot. So I'm going to heat it in a pot. So first off, let's try out this Smith's processor. So I have some fat wood here. Let's see what we can do with this. All right, I find it's easier. I was going like this on the edge. It's just easier just to put it flat on a surface. Okay, we got a nice little tinder pile there. All right, here we go. Let's try this little striker thing. That was pretty easy. All right, thumbs up for Smith's. All right, sorry for the noise. It's my neighbor taking time on the weekend. They work a lot, so they're out doing yard work. So first off, we're gonna cook some minute rice. I have some minute rice in here with a little bit of salt. Got 1/2 cup. And we're gonna need an equal amount of water. And then we're going to take our beef stew. Hopefully you can see that. Smells a little different than the typical Dinty Moore. Okay, our water's boiling. Let's go ahead and do our rice. And that will be done in 5 minutes. Let's put our stew on. Okay, our rice should be done. There we are. Stew. A little more. There we go. Okay, folks, here's a look at the meal. Let's go ahead and sit back and taste it how it is. No hot sauce, no nothing. I mean, it's really tender. You don't need teeth. Got the nice small chunks of carrot and potato. Good flavor. Really taste the carrot is very prominent. A little bit more tomatoey than Dinty Moore, which I like. The only negative I can see, because it's shelf stable and already cooked, is the weight. But if weight's not a factor and you wanted a quick meal, that would probably, that would be okay. I mean, then it's not an issue. I'm gonna leave a link to the Amazon product I got. There you can get the price. Flavor-wise, yeah, it's good. I would recommend it. I think I bought 6 or 8 with the intent of keeping it for an emergency. So it's gonna go into our prepper pantry. All right, folks, thumbs up on the Moana. I did get another meal, which I'll try at a later date, which I think is beef rigatoni, beef and pasta. So looking forward to trying that. Okay, I appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.